Are you the proud owner of a Mercedes-Benz?
I am. Thank you.
Unfortunately, the sweet life has come to an end, and I have to go back to work. So we stopped in Perth for a little while so that I can work and so that we can convert Matt's new van into a camper. So all my free time is going to be into this little baby. So the conversion is going to be happening at a horse barn. We're lucky enough to be able to work on it here and have a little stall to ourselves to be able to finish this project. Matt picked up this old postie van that a bloke had sitting on his property for about 4 years, unregistered. So we needed to dust off all the spider webs and give her a good once-over. But she was actually pretty squeaky clean. Our game plan is to use as many recycled materials as possible. Starting by pulling apart some old pallets that we went dumpster diving for. At the moment, we've cut a big hole in the van, well, Matt has, and now to put on this vent because it gets very hot in there without windows, so. Yep. Is it too dirty to do it?
Screw in one of the sides there, you can sort of see it. I think it's opposite.
This one?
No. There's a hole in here somewhere, a hole in that one.
Okay.
gonna love you and leave you.
Yeah, that's right. Get out of here.
Thanks to work, I'm not always able to be here to help Matt. And when I am here, I'm not sure how helpful it is.
See pushing down.
Yeah.
Maybe don't just push down, use the weight of the
Okay.
thing.